Okay, so you should have used your table to figure out that Kenny was able to do, it took him 2,150 minutes to create 1,505 cranes. Okay, so a table is one way to do it. Another way to do it is using a giant one. In order to do the giant one, I have to figure out what I would multiply 7 by to get 1,505. So I do that by taking 1,505, dividing it by 7, and I get 215. That's my giant one. 215 over 215, because that makes 1. So 10 times 215 is 2,150 is equal to x. Because 7 times 215 is 1,505. And remember that a proportion is a set of equal ratios. So in order for these to be equal, x would be 2,150. The next way is to undo division. So I look at what x is being divided by, and it's being divided by 1,505. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 1,505. This becomes 15,050 divided by 7. These cross off because multiplying by 1,505 and dividing by 1,505 is 1. So this is going to be equal to x. And when I divide these two, this is equal to 215 is equal to x. I'm sorry, 2,150, which is what our answer is. Okay, the next one is the fraction buster. So in order to do the fraction buster, you want to get rid of both denominators right away. So I'm going to multiply this side by 7 times 1,505, and this side times 7 times 1,505, all over 1. Okay? So these cross off, because if I multiply and divide by it, it's 1. So what I'm left on this side is 15,050. And these two cross off, and I'm left with 7x. Okay? So if I divide both sides by 7, I'm going to get 2,150 is equal to x. All right. There's one last method. It's called the cross products method, which says that I can multiply on the diagonal. So 10 times 1,505 is going to be equal to 7 times x. So if you notice, that's looking very similar to what I have up there. 10 times 1,505 is 15,050 is equal to 7x. Divide by 7, and I get 2,150 is equal to x. Okay? All these different methods, all 4 methods, get us to the same answer.